Hi again, everybody. It's Monday morning, November 20th, 2023. Taking a look at the Astro Excel 30-minute chart. You can see the green line bottomed out on the 16th and has turned up. See the price action in the market followed suit. We're still range bound. We're still stuck in this 45.10 to 45.35 area where we were bracketed for a good part of last week. We've got this upside pressure till tomorrow at about 10:17. That's where we peak out on the green line. There's also a blue line spike bottom at the same time. So that could be an important turning point right there.
Connection lost.
And then we're going a pretty strong push down into Wednesday that bottoms out about 1:45 in the afternoon. And at that point, we just go flatline. Thursday and Friday are going to be inconsequential here, most likely. Thursday is the Thanksgiving holiday. The market will be closed, and there will be an abbreviated session on Friday. So we've got that upward pressure into Tuesday, then a sharp move down into Wednesday afternoon. Blue line is mostly contained between the 10 lines. There are a few spikes down. We had this spike down 6:30 this morning, was that little retest of the high top where it broke down. There's one tonight out of hours. Tomorrow, the one mentioned at 10:24 with the green line peak. There's another little double spike at 4:30 and 5:40 before that. And then the next important one would be on Wednesday at 4:37 a.m. right here. And then the rest of it's going to probably be inconsequential, as will be outside of any trading. There will be some trading Friday, probably till 1:30, most likely. There's a spike peak here at 5:47 a.m. So that's the look at the Astro Excel and this short week in the market this week.